All right, guys, we're in a 2022 Nissan Titan. We're just going to do a spare Prax key. This one's got the old logo on it. All right. FYI, when you guys do spare keys on Nissan, always check to see if there's any kind of telltale lights on the dash or anything like that, you know, key error or iKey error or anything like that. So when you get done, if it pops up, you know it's something you did, something you didn't do. So just something I always check just to make sure a customer doesn't come back and go, oh, hey, that wasn't there before you came. So just food for thought. All right, we got our hazards on, ignition off, program keys. All right, we're gonna hit the lock button on our existing. All right. Yes, we want to delete. Should hear a beep here in a little bit when it goes into learn mode. There it is. All right, so we're going to press it until it turns on. It's on. All right, shut it off. Now we're going to hold them up. Start with the original. Security light is right there by the 40, between the needle and the 40. So that one's done. That one did our 5 times. Ignition's off. Okay, yes, we want to do more. All right, now we're going to do our refurb real quick. All right, see our flashing light. Good to go. Set that there. Hit OK. Ignition's off. Okay, no. So we're going to take the original now. Make sure we get a beep. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and take it away. As soon as I shut this off, we should get registration complete. There it is, registration complete. Hit OK, ignition's off, we're complete. Go ahead and shut our hazards off. Make sure there's nothing on the dash. Key battery low, so we just know we got to change our battery in ours and you're good to go.